Welcome to Solidworks video tutorials. In this video, we are going to see about the basics of the 3D modeling. Exercise number 7. First, select the new part. Then pick top plane for sketching. Now, select the rectangle command and draw a rectangle from the origin. Specify the dimensions of the rectangle using Smart Dimension command. Now, select the line command and draw a line over the rectangle. After sketching, specify its dimensions. Now, select the 3-point arc and draw an arc over the lines. Select the arc and the line and give the relation coincident. Now, remove the unwanted projections using Trim command. Later, specify the dimensions of the drawn sketch using Smart Dimensions command. Now, select the fillet command and draw a fillet over the corners of the sketch with the required dimensions as per the manual. Now, in features, select extruded bars, then specify the dimensions for extrusion. Now, select the right plane and give sketch. Draw a rectangle over the right plane. Then specify its dimensions. Then select the fillet command and draw a fillet over the corners of the rectangle. Now, draw a slot over the sketch using slot command and specify its dimensions. Now, under features, select extruded bars and specify the direction and the length of extrusion. Now, select the top plane for the sketch and draw a rectangle over the part. Specify its dimensions. Now, select a circle command and draw a circle at the center point of the line. Remove the unwanted projections using Trim command. Then give the required dimensions as per the manual. After dimensioning, select features, then extruded bars, then specify the dimensions and direction of extrusion. Again select the Same top plane for the sketch. Then select a circle and draw a circle over the part. Specify its dimensions using Smart Dimension command. Draw a small circle over the left of the sketch, which is going to be patterned. After dimensioning, give the relation between the small circle and the center point as horizontal. Now select circular sketch pattern and specify the point about the pattern, then the entities to be patterned. Also specify number of entities to be patterned. Now under features, select extruded bars. Change the dimensions of extrusions as per the manual accordingly. Our part is obtained. Now check whether the material given is IS2062. Then check its mass properties and evaluate. That's it.